How do I perform commands in another folder without repeating the folder path? Is there a clever way to do copy and move operations or a command to duplicate a file without having to do a cd then mv after at the same folder? For example, I have to run the following. Note that the directory to where I'm moving the file is the same, but I have to put the whole path again, and sometimes it gets annoying. I'm curious to know if there's another way to do that without having to put the whole path again, because the operation would be done in the same path.
Run the operation in a subshell. The change of working directory won't be propagated to the parent shell.
Simply use brace expansion. This is equivalent to writing. Brace expansion lets you supply more arguments, of course. You can even pass ranges to it, e.g. to create a couple of test folders. You can run mktest underscore or .z, and starting with bash 4, you can create zero-padded sequences as well, as in touch foo 0001.3, which creates foo 0001, foo 0002 and foo 0003. The Bash Hackers Wiki has an article with a couple of examples for you. If you have to use two different commands, use a subshell and cd there first, as in at Ignatio's answer.
If you want clever, here's bash history expansion. I wouldn't use this myself since I find it impossible to memorize. I do occasionally use the Vim equivalent but have to look it up almost every time.
You can set a variable. Of course, this has the side effect of leaving the variables around.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.